हाय। आज आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे ये शो में जिसका नाम है द साइंस टू साइलेंस। मैं आज आपकी होस्ट हूँ डॉक्टर सोनल शाह, द फर्स्ट सर्टिफाइड वुमेन ट्राइकोलॉजिस्ट ऑफ इंडिया एंड द पायनियर ऑफ ट्राइकोलॉजी इन इंडिया, प्रैक्टिसिंग सोहम स्पिरिचुअल मेडिटेशन सिंस 30 years। ये मुंबई का फर्स्ट ऑफ इट्स काइंड मेडिटेशन स्पेस है, which is a sanctuary of complete silence created for those who seek stillness and self, and open for all those who believe in spiritual upliftment। Spiritual meditation एक miracle है या कि just एक सिर्फ good science है? तो चलिए आज हम आपको लेके चलते हैं through all the latest studies। We'll bust the myths and will give you practical takeaways too. Doctor, I believe that this is a very unique combination integrating psychotherapy and with medical hypnosis. And you are a co-author of 2 books on
Yes.
medical hypnosis also.
Yes.
So थोड़ा हमें और जानकारी देंगे इसके बारे में?
Sure. So, see, hypnotherapy is also the specialized part of one of the psychotherapies. And
Okay.
hypnotherapy, we see that consider it as a modern psychotherapy, but it's very ancient.
अच्छा.
It's been mentioned in the Rig Vedas also as the Trikala Vidya.
Oh, okay.
Yes. And it is been known as one of the Shastras, science,
Okay.
and which is coming from the form of a meditation. It's
Correct.
like a guided meditation,
हाँ.
and that meditative state is being used as the hypnosis. Now we use it for the medical purposes, like treating any physical or mental disorder, mainly the psychological and psychosomatic disorders.
Okay.
So they're the come parts of like the medical hypnosis.
करेक्ट। सो आप कहना चाहते हैं कि जो लाइक एंजाइटी, डिप्रेशन जो कि बचपन से, चाइल्डहुड से, या तो कैरिंग फॉरवर्ड फ्रॉम योर प्रीवियस बर्थ्स, इट्स स्टोर्ड समवेयर इन द ब्रेन?
It's this life's anxiety, depression when you are not able to cope up कि कोई situations है और उसको आप कोप अप नहीं कर पा रहे हो क्योंकि आपका माइंड आपके कंट्रोल में ही नहीं है पहले से,
अच्छा,
आपने
okay.
कभी सीखा ही नहीं है।
हाँ
तो वो कैसे माइंड को कंट्रोल में लाना, माइंड को कंट्रोल में लाना मतलब ही आपके थॉट्स को, आपके इमोशंस को कैसे कंट्रोल पे लाना, तो उसके हम उसके ऊपर काम करने लगते हैं, देन ऑटोमेटिकली योर एंजाइटी एंड डिप्रेशन गेट्स अंडर
सो
कंट्रोल।
इंटरेस्टिंग। एंड ये एंजाइटी एंड डिप्रेशन से काफी हमारे हेल्थ इश्यूज भी हो जाते हैं, करेक्ट?
एब्सोल्युटली।
या सो in a way then
Yes,
yeah,
because when there is anxiety, depression, there is a release of stress hormones
correct,
like adrenaline and cortisol,
correct,
which reduces your immunity, which
हाँ,
reduces your resistance power. In
correct,
simple terms हम लोग बोलते हैं कि रेजिस्टेंस कम हो गया तो इन्फेक्शंस ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं,
हाँ,
हमारा स्ट्रेस लेने का ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है,
correct,
इम्यूनिटी कम होने की वजह से इन्फेक्शंस हो सकते हैं, तो बॉडी ऑलरेडी कमज़ोर होने लगती है। और फिर स्ट्रेस लेने से यू आर बिकॉज ऑफ द कॉर्टिजोल वी हैव सीन दैट द इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस इज ऑल्सो देयर, सो प्रोन फॉर डायबिटीज, ब्लड प्रेशर, these problems also come. So
correct,
if you control, that is why we call them as a psychosomatic form.
form,
So when they are there, then that can be handled by learning how to control your mind.
so interesting। तो let's dive into now कि जो स्पिरिचुअल मेडिटेशन जो सब बोलते हैं कि मिरेकल मिरेकल, ये एक्सपीरियंस हो गया, वो एक्सपीरियंस हो गया। सो ऑफ कोर्स एक्सपीरियंस होते हैं बिकॉज आई एम डूइंग प्रैक्टिसिंग स्पिरिचुअल मेडिटेशन सिंस 30 years। काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंसेस होते हैं, बट बीइंग अ डॉक्टर मुझे लगा कि ये देयर हैज़ टू बी समथिंग साइंटिफिक about it। So let's deep dive into it। So is there any studies done to know how the spiritual meditation helps, or any scientific validation available with us?
Yes. So first, let me clear off the misconception that spirituality ही सिर्फ meditation सिर्फ spirituality में ही आता है.
हाँ,
Okay, because if we'll go back to our ancient history,
correct,
as I mentioned, it is a meditation is being explained, practiced in general जो बेसिक हम एजुकेशन लेवल बोलते थे कि जो बच्चे आश्रम जाते थे सीखने के लिए,
हाँ
तो उनको वहां से मेडिटेशन सिखाया जाता था.
करेक्ट
So it is going on since many years, since our ancient times.
एंशियंट टाइम
And it has
करेक्ट
been you will find the references also in our ancient texts, the spiritual texts also. But what has changed in last 2 decades is the mindfulness has come into search, and because of that, there is Dr. John Kabat-Zinn. He developed the practice of mindfulness meditation,
ओके
and because of that, the Western science has now started doing the research on it.
ओके
And we have the technologies now to do the research to see the exact effect of meditation.
करेक्ट
Okay, it is कैसे होता है कि पहले हाँ एस्ट्रोलॉजी था, तो एस्ट्रोलॉजी में ये ग्रह है वो ग्रह है हम सिर्फ बोलते थे, पर अभी यू हैव द स्पेशल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स टू सी दोज प्लैनेट्स.
करेक्ट
Exactly, now we have the instrument to see what are the effects
Effect.
happening on your brain,
हाँ फैंटास्टिक
and that is why the research is being done. So in one word you can say, from it is ashram, now it is come to labs.
करेक्ट करेक्ट
Right.
and I think आज की younger generation because we have to give them the proof right कि
Yes.
ये होता है भाई ये ancient जमाने का है सुना है well of course we have experience we are experiencing but they need hardcore proof
Yes.
so that is now
It is
happening.
being given with the science,
Yeah.
with the technologies.
Correct. So tell me this meditation which is there like the what we call the spiritual meditation is like it connects to your soul as well as to your pure yourself. You come to know exactly what your emotions are and you feel the emotions, you name the emotions.
Yes.
So this spiritual meditation जो है एंजाइटी एंड डिप्रेशन के लिए काफी मदद कर सकता है.
Yes, absolutely.
And what is scientifically happening when we do meditations for say 20 minutes or 30 minutes? So how anxiety and daily, right? Would you recommend that daily at least?
Yes, it is necessary. Daily meditation is necessary.
So what happens scientifically that anxiety and depression start settling down?
Okay, so let me first explain how the spiritual meditation and how we use it in the medicine practice or a science-based meditation. So as we take the physical example, कि जो बॉर्डर पे सोल्जर्स होते हैं उनको भी फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग दिया जाता है, एंड बॉडी इज देयर इंस्ट्रूमेंट, सो दे वर्क थ्रू द बॉडी, सो दे ट्रेन द बॉडी, राइट? सो फॉर दैट पर्पज, लाइक फॉर एनी अदर वर्क who requires a physical training, the same way is the mental training given by the meditation.
Okay.
Now it can be used for your higher purposes, and it can be used to control your mind, to control your senses, to control your emotions, your thoughts, and in turn your body also. Okay, so that can be, and as you said, it's the first step starts with the awareness.
Correct.
The meditation's first A is acceptance and awareness.
Correct.
Acceptance of the situation, acceptance of it, like as you said, emotions. Accept that this emotion is coming, the anxious emotion is coming, the sad emotion is coming. Then label it. Okay, label it, let it go. That you come. Next part is aware. Aware, accept, and let it go. And then come to who you are.
Correct.
You're not this mind, you're not this body, but the one who is watching it, witnessing it.
Correct. So
Right.
we call it like in religious Vedanta or Jainism, they call it as drashta.
Yes,
Yeah,
drashta.
Yeah. So पहले है ना, let's ये जो myth है कि religious जब हम चालू religious activities and सब करना चालू करते हैं, काफी हम सुनते भी हैं कि you know दुखी नहीं होना है, रोना नहीं है, खुश रहो, एक्सेप्ट करो, बट दैट इनिशियली ऐसा हो जाता है कि यू आर सप्रेसिंग इट, यू आर नॉट बिकमिंग दृष्टा. करेक्ट, सप्रेस कर देते हो आप, एंड वो सप्रेस हो के इतना एक टाइम बॉम्ब बन जाता है फिर.
Right, because people don't understand what the meditation is.
Correct.
Let's take the example of a driving. When can I say I'm a best driver? When it's not like my car is just parked in the garage it's scratchless, it is brand new looking even after 4 or 5 years, and I say, oh, I'm the best driver. No.
Correct.
But you drive in the Mumbai's small lanes also, you drive in the traffic also, and you drive on the expressway with taking care of your car that it's not getting scratched, and you're efficiently reaching on time, safely to your destination.
Correct.
Same way is the control of mind. It's more of mind regulation.
Okay.
So it is
correct.
not just suppressing your thoughts. Ki watch your thoughts. Be aware of your thoughts, your emotions. Accept them that okay by labeling. Ki the anxious thought or anxious sensation or movement or the body which I feel, the sensations or the emotions, they are coming to my mind.
Correct.
That makes you drashta.
And for that, you require silence and you require to sit with yourself
Initially,
to train yourself.
Initially,
Correct?
yes.
Huh.
Because like we do get trained in the driver's this driving school car.
Correct.
There is somebody else controlling it, guiding us.
Correct.
But then we can drive on our own, on our own car also. The same way, first you need to learn that okay, this. Then what happens is you accept, okay, there is a noise. It's okay, let it be. Let it not come into me. Let it not go inside me. That's the acceptance.
Correct. So coming to now and coming to who you are when we say, so I think Vedanta and Jainism go parallel.
Right.
And even Buddhism.
Right.
So when you say कि mind, vichar and sharir, body parts.
Right.
वो मैं नहीं हूँ because that is transient. It comes, stays and go away.
Right.
And I should step back. And who am I actually? The awareness should start from there, right?
Right.
And so very interesting here, Doc, that it is getting connected to the mantra Soham.
Yes.
So Soham says who am, first is Koham. So who am I?
Right.
And then comes
the answer
Soham.
comes Soham.
Soham. So I'm the pure soul, which
Right.
is basically formless. So it is kind of not changing. And the Shastras say that you cannot burn, right? You can't pierce through, or non-perishable hai. So that is the difference. You sit. You train yourself to decipher these two. Right? And how does the brain, because I think the central nervous system is a very important part of this.
Yes.
Correct? So when you gradually go up, say from 5 minutes, 5 minutes आप बैठ रहे हो लेकिन इतने सारे थॉट आ जाते हैं एंड आप घबरा जाते हो कि नो आई कांट डू द मेडिटेशन. करेक्ट? सो एट दैट टाइम क्या हो रहा है ब्रेन में? ऐसे थियोरेटिकल आप बताएंगे तो हम बताएंगे अरे थाउजेंड्स ऑफ थॉट्स कमिंग टू माय माइंड, बट एग्जैक्टली व्हाट जो आप 5 मिनट बैठते हो विथ योरसेल्फ तो ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं भाई मुझे फोकस नहीं करना है या मैं मेडिटेशन नहीं कर सकती हूँ. तो क्या होता है तभी ब्रेन में?
राइट. सो इट्स लाइक कि जब भी हमारा वाटर टैंक क्लीनिंग पे जाता है,
हाँ,
बिल्डिंग का, ओके, तो व्हेन यू ओपन द टैप all the dirty water is going to come first. You let that flow and
Correct.
then only the new water starts coming.
Correct.
The same thing happens with the meditation.
Okay.
What we call in the scientific terms, this is the research done by Yale University, and they have labeled that term as this default mode network, DMN.
Okay, correct. हाँ.
Okay, so this what it does, in simple terms we call it as a autopilot mode. कि ऑटोमेटिकली ये थॉट्स आ जाते हैं और फिर उनको हमको चेंज करना है. पर कैसे चेंज करेंगे? जब भी हम अवेयर होंगे कि मेरा ब्रेन का ये डिफॉल्ट सेटिंग है, दैट इज व्हाई दीज थॉट्स आर कमिंग, एंड सो आई हैव टू बी अवेयर ऑफ दीज थॉट्स कमिंग टू माय माइंड. नाउ लेट देम कम एंड गो, बट आई एम नॉट द थॉट्स. लेट मी ब्रिंग माय माइंड somewhere else. So coming back to yourself is meditation.
Correct. So
Not fighting with the thoughts.
with the thoughts. Oh,
It's
yeah.
coming back to yourself.
Precisely. So friends, ये जब हम मेडिटेशन चालू करते हैं तो पहले तो जब मैंने बुद्धि सागर जी का योग दीपक पढ़ा तो उन्होंने टारगेट दिया कि 3 घंटा मेडिटेशन इज आपका टारगेट होना चाहिए. तो जैसे 5 मिनट बैठे तो जैसे डॉक्टर दीपाली इज सेइंग कि यो डिफॉल्ट नेटवर्क जो हमारा ब्रेन का है वो एक्टिवेटेड है ऑलरेडी, तो वो काफ़ी थॉट्स भेजेगा. और टू ऑब्जर्व, टू बिकम अवेयर एंड टू गो बैक to the focus, that is whatever mantra you are doing or wherever focus you are keeping, तो वो वहाँ थॉट्स चले गए, वापस आओ, मंत्र पे आओ या आपके फोकस पे आओ, आप जो भी त्राटक कर रहे हो, जो भी कर रहे हो, कम बैक. दैट इज ऑटोमेटिकली यू आर इनटू द सेकंड स्टेज ऑफ द मेडिटेशन. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज आप बैठो, फोकस करो, थॉट्स बाहर जाएंगे, वो अवेयरनेस हुआ और वापस उसको लेके आइए. सो दैट्स हाउ इट स्टार्ट्स एंड
Yes.
देयर द ब्रेन इज,
Yes.
I think the biggest, I think the
Yeah,
main tool, right?
Because as you said that where is that DMN, the
Correct.
default mode network?
हाँ,
It's in our amygdala.
correct.
It's our emotional brain.
So it's a part of brain only,
It
correct?
is a part of brain only.
हाँ,
So it is its functioning is to make you aware,
correct,
alert.
correct.
But there is also our gray matter, the prefrontal cortex,
हाँ,
which we call it as simple terms, wise brain. So let's take emotional brain and wise brain.
हाँ,
So emotional brain we have to learn to regulate by giving charge to the wise brain.
correct. And tell me this meditation when we
Hmm.
do regularly.
Hmm.
So for students, right? How it will be beneficial? Memory sharpen करते हैं, focus sharpen हो जाएगा.
Yes. So as I said that gray matter,
Hmm.
the prefrontal cortex, hippocampus.
Hmm.
Hippocampus is the center for learning and memory.
Hmm.
And it has been shown with the research, the
Hmm.
functional MRI
Hmm.
studies have shown that over the period of time, as you practice the meditation daily,
Hmm.
your hippocampus area increases.
Hmm.
Your prefrontal cortex, your gray matter gets densified.
Hmm.
And that helps you to learn better,
Hmm.
learn quicker, sharper,
Hmm.
grasp fast,
Hmm.
memory increasing
Hmm.
power.
Hmm.
And as you practice that meditation, the
Hmm.
process of meditation, as we said, like focus,
Hmm.
coming back to
Hmm.
ourselves,
Hmm.
that they develop in the studies.
Hmm.
Okay, there are less distractions. Even though there is a sound playing outside, there is a music, there is a dance, friends are partying, but I know this is my time for my studies, and so
Hmm.
you'll be able to come in the present moment now, and that helps you to focus on studies.
Super. So this is for all our mothers, right? कि बचपन से ही if आपके चाइल्ड को आप ट्रेन करेंगे मेडिटेशन में, और मेडिटेशन कई प्रकार के मेडिटेशन हैं, लेकिन आज की मदर को ये चालू करना पड़ेगा. एंशियंट यस थे, हम पास हो चुके हैं, हमारी मदर्स ने हमको पास किया है, पास ऑन किया है, लेकिन आज की मदर्स को मैं बताऊंगी कि प्लीज़ 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 आपके चिल्ड्रन को कंपटीशन और कंपैरिजन में पुश कर रहे हैं, लेकिन आप मेडिटेशन की तरफ भी पुश करिए. सो डेफिनेटली दिस इज साइंटिफिक, इट्स नॉट अ मिरेकल कि ये करने से आपके बच्चे की मेमोरी है, फोकस है, ये सब पावर एनहांस होंगे, जो कि है ही, राइट? Yeah, right, Dipali?
Absolutely, and that is why that even in the ashram system initially, the first they used to teach the meditation. क्योंकि तभी बुक्स नहीं थे, तभी राइटिंग नहीं था,
हाँ,
सब कुछ मेमोराइजिंग था,
करेक्ट.
तो इसके लिए उनको पहले मेडिटेशन सिखाया जाता था
हाँ,
कि तुम्हारा ब्रेन ट्रेन करो फर्स्ट,
करेक्ट,
देन इट इज इजियर.
करेक्ट.
And now they have, as you are saying, guiding for the mothers, it starts from Garbha Sanskar.
हाँ, exactly, correct.
Right.
Correct.
During the Garbha Sanskar program, I do take medical hypnosis sessions for pregnancy, during antenatal also.
Wow.
So there you learn to quieten yourself. Then
Hmm.
automatically the baby starts developing that from the womb.
Correct. And so let's go even before that, because
Hmm.
ये कोविड में
हाँ.
I saw, because I took a little back seat, all our clinics shut and nothing to do. So I was just seeing around and researching. So a lot of stress, anxiety because of COVID, right? Because we were all shut inside, nothing to do.
Yes.
So a lot of cases of infertility, right, increased during that time. And even I think before that, because the world has become so fast, और हम एक chaos में जी रहे हैं, like wife working somewhere else, the world has become so small that wife is working in another city, husband is working in another city, and unable to meet, and so the infertility cases are increasing. So this meditation, scientifically, how can it improve? Because stress, anxiety से हमारे hormones affect हो जाएंगे,
Absolutely.
correct? So ये meditation से हम अगर ये chain को break कर पाए, तो do you think कि ये cases भी they don't have to resort like
Yes.
IVF and all that, unnecessary medication,
Yes.
hormonal medication help, ये कम हो जाएंगी?
Yes, because meditation helps you to learn to control your emotions, which in turn learn and regulates to control your hormone system.
Correct.
The thyroids, then estrogens, progesterones, everything gets under control. It learns to regulate your hormonal systems.
So profile, हाँ.
Yes, and then that is why naturally, because what are the infertility causes mainly are PCOS. We see that thyroid problems, diabetes, early diabetic problems in females.
Correct.
So these are the main hurdles in the
Conceiving.
So if you are doing the meditation daily, you can manage your stress levels, then automatically your hormones remain into balance and automatically the fertility chances increase.
And even for male side, like
yes,
the meditation will affect in the same way to increase.
yes, because it works on the precursors of estrogen and testosterone.
Okay.
It has been shown by the research.
Okay.
The meditation, regular meditation, helps to balance out those precursor hormones of the testosterone and
So healthy
estrogens.
sperms and more sperm
Yes.
formation, and that
It's all related to stress, then definitely yes.
Okay. So naturally, we are talking about stress related. Of course, we
Yes,
are not
yes.
talking about any mechanical or
Yes.
pathological.
Yes, because there are pathological organic
yes,
reasons.
many
also.
reasons.
But wherever it is psychological stress related things are concerned, definitely this helps.
Meditation can definitely
Yes.
help, right? So now coming to like the stress, anxiety, and focus, memory. So sleep is. Do you think sleep is a very important part of it, and the meditation can help that also?
Yes. So what are first the causes of insomnia or disturbed sleep or sudden waking up from the sleep is your overthinking, very active mind, and the melatonin production is hampered. Certain brain chemicals are affecting, so which is low in serotonin, low in so adrenaline is very high. So that so as you are meditating, you are learning. Again, we come back to the same principle. You learn you to manage your thoughts. So at night when you are going to sleep, how you meditate it? Right now I'm nobody. Thoughts are coming to me as a father, mother, as a boss, as a colleague.
Very, very nice sentence you use. Ki, I am nobody.
Yes, because all the roles I am playing.
Correct.
But right now I'm not playing any role. So these thoughts which are coming to that somebody will wake up in the morning and will deal with it. So you learn to manage your thoughts.
Correct.
And if you come to nobody, then automatically you are into that relax. Whatever the practices you do in meditation, like the breathing techniques, you apply your relaxation of your body, you apply that. Automatically the body relaxes. That relaxed state of the body, further going beyond that meditation state, if you let it allow, it will go to sleep. Also, that helps to increase the production of regulation of the melatonin, which is the key for your sleep.
Correct.
The sound, deep sleep.
And that is which part of the brain secretes this melatonin?
Melatonin is in general secreted by the brain when there is a light induced
Hmm.
and the stress also.
So pineal gland somewhere
Yes.
involved in
Yes,
that.
and which is the
Third eye we call it as, right?
it's
Spiritually.
it's we call it in the just over here, which
Ha,
we ask to focus over here. That is why, so
correct.
that it quietens down and it just helps you to calm down at that time.
Correct. So now here I'm coming back
Hmm.
to the spiritual meditation part,
Hmm.
that we saw that 5 minutes you do your thought
Hmm.
process is going out, then you come back wherever you are
Right.
focusing. So in spiritual term it is called dharana. So we
Yes.
start doing dharana, practice that, and
Hmm.
slowly
Hmm.
then eventually like आप 20 मिनट 25 मिनट वो करते रहे
Hmm.
then you think this melatonin starts secreting because
Yes,
of
by the regular practice.
हाँ
Yes.
हाँ so तभी ये thoughts so
Yes.
default network जो आपका है
Yes.
वो शांत हो जाता है,
Yes.
thoughts calm down हो
Absolutely.
जाता है
Hmm.
और pineal एक्टिवेट हो
Activation
जाता है
right.
एंड मेलेटोनिन सिक्रीट होता है. दैट्स हाउ वो 20-25 मिनट एंड देन यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग ड्राउजी.
Huh.
हाँ करेक्ट.
But then we in meditation we don't let our mind go to that drowsy state,
हाँ
but we keep it to the awareness state.
so you
But at
come
sleep
back again.
time, yes, but
हाँ
at sleep time
हाँ
we use that to let ourselves go from
Deeper.
that trance state of meditation
हाँ
to deeper to that sleep mode state,
हाँ
where the melatonin production starts.
करेक्ट. सो ड्यूरिंग द डे आप करते हो, सो यू कम बैक फ्रॉम दैट ड्राउजी स्टेट, यू कम बैक
Hmm.
करेक्ट, एंड एट नाइट
You
आप
let
उसको
let
जाने
it
दो आगे.
proceed.
लेट
It's
इट
not a
प्रोसीड.
drowsy state, it's
हाँ
a trance state.
trance state,
Quiet state of the mind,
हाँ
peaceful state, blissful,
Okay.
peaceful state.
peaceful state, and then
That it leads to the drowsiness
Huh.
state in the night.
at night,
That
and
you
then
can
you allow
practice.
it to happen at
Happen it.
night. Correct.
Yes.
When we do spiritual meditation regularly, so
Hmm.
which part of the brain
Hmm.
uh, is most affected?
It is the prefrontal cortex
Okay.
and hippocampus, in general the gray matter of the brain.
Okay.
Okay. Because that is, in short, our wise brain.
Huh.
So that gets activated more.
So with regular practice, that will
Yes.
keep getting activated.
More, which we also call it as a rest and digest.
Hmm.
And amygdala gets
Shrunk.
shrunk,
Ah,
which is our fight flight mode.
okay.
Fear.
And amygdala is fear. It's connected more with
Yes.
fear and fight and flight mode.
Yes.
Correct.
And this is rest and digest mode.
The rest and digest mode.
Hmm.
So ये होने से
Hmm.
that is connected to your autonomous system also, right?
Yes.
Sympathetic,
Yes.
parasympathetic.
Yes. So autonomous system is two parts, no? Sympathetic and parasympathetic.
Correct.
Sympathetic is amygdala part.
Okay.
And parasympathetic is quiet in your body.
Correct.
Control, slow down your heart rate, slow down your pulse rate, slow down your breathing, calming, peaceful, and in control.
Correct.
You are calm and composed.
So this requires practice, right? It is not
Absolutely.
going to come overnight.
Hmm.
So we must have patience
Yes.
and regular
Yes.
practice of meditation.
So there is a study done by Howard University
Okay.
on the meditators, the monks
Huh.
who were doing this mindfulness meditation for 8 weeks. They used to do it every day for minimum 20 to 25 minutes. And over the period of 8 weeks, every day when they were doing, they
Okay.
saw these changes in the brain.
Huh.
And which they labeled it as the concept, which is known as the concept of neuroplasticity.
Neuroplasticity, correct.
That
Yeah.
it changes the brain's structure.
Correct. So we Indians have this gift from our
Yes.
ancestors.
Yes.
Yeah, and this.
And they have proven this with functional MRI studies.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So how your brain is when you're active, and how your brain is during meditation, and how the brain changes even after the 20 minutes of meditation.
Correct.
In general, then during the day, also your brain learns to remain calm and composed.
So you are doing activity, you are doing everything.
Yes.
आप सब कर रहे हो, ऐसा नहीं है कि छोड़ के चले गए हो,
नहीं.
राइट? आप जहाँ है वहीं आप ये प्रैक्टिस करके अपने ये टूल
Yes.
बॉडी को आप ट्रांसफॉर्म कर देते हैं.
Right.
Correct?
So it starts from doing meditation to being in meditation.
Yeah, very nice. Yeah, doing meditation to just
Being
being
in,
in meditation.
yes, that's it.
Yes, lovely. So now let's move little
Hmm.
deeper कि जब आप meditation करते हैं
Hmm.
तो ये 20-25 मिनट राइट एंड देन you go into a state where you start seeing dreams
Hmm.
and you're yet connected to dreams. Sometimes what happens कि we forget when we come out of it. Like ये रात को भी होता है
हाँ,
कि हम ड्रीम्स देखते हैं फिर सुबह हम भूल जाते हैं.
right.
लेकिन यहाँ पे what we have observed कि we are connected
Hmm.
and it is trying to tell us something about nature, about hidden emotions. So it opens up, right? And how to manage at that time? Because काफ़ी चीज़ जो हमने ऐसे बॉक्स में बंद करके रख दी है सालों से वो सडनली रीसर्फेस हो जाती है.
Yes, so that is the actual state we use in medical hypnosis. Okay, we work over there.
Okay.
So initially, if you are doing meditation, it is better to do that meditation under the guidance of a guru.
Okay.
Like we do that medical hypnosis, the therapist is guiding you. Okay, you are seeing this, but is it the really which has happened?
हाँ.
And how to deal with that emotion, how to deal with that deep rooted thoughts of yours, the beliefs of yours.
Correct.
Because there are chances, we have seen in some cases, there is a chance of forming false memory also.
Ah.
They are seeing that something which has not happened also.
Correct.
But why that mind is then creating it? It's like a dream then you are watching, which is not the reality.
Correct.
So then you require a therapist. The same way at the spiritual practices, you require initially the guidance of Guru.
Correct.
Ki I'm seeing this or I'm experiencing this and I'm getting these thoughts constantly. What should I do with it? And somebody will guide you.
Correct.
Definitely. But don't assume that is your reality and work. Initially, you will need the guidance.
Correct. And I think the contact or the building of that relationship is very important because
Yes.
आपको पता होना चाहिए कि सामने वाला क्या है, कैसा है, क्यों कर रहा है. Lot of history. जैसे what you are trying to say that कि हमने dream देखा लेकिन वो false भी हो सकता है
Yes.
और वो कुछ intuitive भी हो सकता है.
Right.
करेक्ट कि आपके सबकॉन्शियस में है ये तो आप उसे कैसे चेंज करो
Right.
पॉजिटिवली.
Right.
करेक्ट
Absolutely.
एंड देन अगेन कम बैक टू नाउ दैट इज हु यू आर.
Huh.
करेक्ट.
Yes.
So after everything I think that is very important that you come back to now.
Yes.
Yeah, who
Because you have
are.
not gone anywhere.
Correct.
You are here only.
Correct.
But the areas which you have not never accessed and used, you are just accessing it now. It is like suppose we use the smartphones. You are using it for, you have purchased it when it is brand new. You have purchased, you are using it, and someone comes, hey, what are you doing on this app? There is this app and it's there in your phone. And you suddenly, oh wow, I found this app. It's such a wonderful, you made my life easier.
Correct.
It is happening the same way. It's all there with you. All
Correct.
throughout, you just have to tap that.
And very correctly you said at this juncture you require a teacher or a guru to handhold you. Correct.
Right.
From नहीं तो यहाँ से एक लेन जाएगी जो ज़्यादा ही डोपामिन रिलीज करके आपको डिप्रेशन एंजाइटी बढ़ा देगी. करेक्ट.
That is why we don't advise into the patients with suicidal thoughts or a very severe form of depression. Because they can't control their minds and thoughts.
Correct.
So they go into that negative zone more.
Correct.
So
that's why hand holding
yes.
is very important.
Yes. So because even so the meditation we say it is not advisable in the suicidal patients, very severe form of depression, schizophrenia.
Correct.
Because schizophrenia also they don't, first of all, may not be able to focus. And whatever they see may be just their mind's work. Just the delusions which are created. So they don't know how to distinguish between that and reality.
So that can worsen the condition,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So what will happen if that worsens? Then you become aggressive, or
Become aggressive, become delusional, that you lose the connect with the reality.
uh,
So that is why it is to be properly.
channelized
Yes.
and
Yeah.
one to
So
one
you need to
guided?
first, whenever you are teaching meditation to
Hmm,
anybody,
hmm.
the guru needs to assess ki, okay, is it in the sound mind state? Can
Correct,
you able to do that? Then you
correct,
can
correct,
teach.
correct. And now, so this state where
Hmm.
we have come, you go deep, and then
Hmm.
dream start coming in.
Hmm.
So, and you are a regular practitioner of
Hmm.
meditation. Then, gradually from here,
Hmm.
you go so deep,
Hmm.
mm, that you are not aware
Hmm.
of the surroundings
Hmm.
as well as the dreams and the thought part.
Yes.
So what we have experienced is,
Hmm.
once we do this kind of, so we
Hmm.
call this, at spiritually it is called yog nidra,
Yes.
and here we call it as,
The deep state of.
deep state of the sleep, that is non REM, and
Yes.
correct. So
Hmm.
that, so
Hmm.
the science and spirituality going parallel to each
Hmm.
other, correct.
Hmm.
So f- when you hit this state,
Hmm.
then suddenly you are into a state where you are cut off, like
Hmm.
what is happening in the room or what is happening around you,
Hmm.
and people say, oh, you are to sleeping,
Hmm.
and we feel that, oh, we were to meditating.
Hmm.
And when you come out of it,
Hmm.
uh, there is so much peace, there is so
Yes.
much calmness. So
Yes.
what is happening in brain? And there are waves, brain
Yes.
waves which are created, or what is
Yes.
happening
So
there?
through EEG we can identify those waves. So there are alpha, beta, theta, and gamma waves.
Alpha,
Beta,
beta,
theta,
theta,
and
and
gamma
gamma.
waves. Okay.
Okay.
So alpha waves are helping you to relax, to calm your mind. Theta waves are more active when you go in, even what you state you are calling now is a very deep state where you are aware, but you are not alert, not on a high alert state.
Huh.
Very calmly you are attending to everything,
Hmm.
and as if you feel that you are disconnected from everything. But theta waves, if you are practicing meditation, you can experience that even in the wakeful state. It's basically the calm, very deep calm state,
Okay.
peaceful,
So
blissful
there
state.
your parasympathetic is again triggered, and your
Control.
amygdala is like
Yes.
lying low,
Amygdala is quieting down.
quieting down.
Yes.
So that is a
That,
theta.
yes, even that beta waves. Beta
Okay.
waves, that there is a decrease in the beta waves,
Hmm.
because beta waves is associated with your active thinking, critical thinking, that is under control.
Okay.
And gamma waves, so it is like with lot of meditation practice, and we
Hmm.
see
Hmm.
that if that is high, then you see the person is very kind, very compassionate, you know. In those
Hmm.
people you see the more activation of gamma.
So very interesting, gamma waves.
Hmm.
So what you were saying is gamma waves where the unconditional
Yes, the
thing,
compassionate,
compassion.
kindness,
Hmm.
easy to let go, forgiveness.
Hmm.
It
Hmm.
is seen that when the gamma waves are activated.
Okay. So now the gamma waves is not like 24 by 7 gamma, right? It'll keep
It will
happening
keep
into
fluctuating.
theta
Now,
and
as the brain activity is
hmm,
there going
hmm,
on,
hmm.
it activates.
Okay. And
Hmm.
at the same time,
Hmm.
so you are calmer, you are
Yes.
balanced, you are
Yes.
compassionate,
Yes.
empathy भी है आपको, सब
Yes.
है.
Hmm.
तो कुछ ऐसा हो जाता है कि you go into a silence, like
Hmm.
बोलना थोड़ा, the formation of
Speech.
sentences, speech, words,
Hmm.
you become more listener kind.
Yeah, you become what we, simple terms we call it as less reactive.
Less reactive.
The unnecessary जरूरत क्या है?
हाँ.
You become more uh, aware of responses, but you become
Okay.
less reactive.
So तभी भी emotions आते हैं, like you will feel
Yes.
bad, you will feel you
The
sad.
misery will come, but you won't become miserable.
हाँ. And वो emotions भी like आपके sadness, right, or
Yes, it is like,
anger or
right.
irritation,
Yes. So
frustration.
absolutely. So For example, it is like how we do the medical hypnosis. In that, we do the hypnoanalgesia or hypnoanesthesia.
Okay.
With the mind control, with the suggestions, you learn that even if there is a piercing happening or there is a cut or when the surgeon is cutting, like in the dental treatments they do,
हाँ.
without medication, you don't feel anything.
Okay.
So the pain sensations are touched, but you don't feel them. The same way, the emotions are coming, the sadness, the anger, but you don't feel emotions.
So you just label them and move out.
You just label them and you move out. So you become less reactive.
Less
Because if you don't
reactive.
identify those emotions,
Correct.
the anger is coming, but you don't identify that anger, but you're working with the gamma waves, kindness, empathy is there, you will let go that.
So tell me the difference between like जैसे हम बचपन से हमें सिखाया जाता है कि बुरा नहीं लगाना है, बोलना नहीं है, चुप रहना है, रोना नहीं है. तो वो in that moment when we suppress, तो क्या होता है, कौन से वेव्स जनरेट हो जाते हैं या कौन सी सिस्टम हमारी ट्रिगर हो जाती है?
Beta waves, because it's the activation of amygdala. Fear is there. कि if you will do this, this will happen. अगर मैं कुछ बोलूँगा, उल्टा बोलूँगा तो मुझे मम्मी डांटेगी या मारेंगी.
सो फियर फैक्टर या अमिगडाला फिर एकदम ज्यादा एक्टिवेट होते हैं. सो ब्रेन अगेन
But
सेंट्रल
if you
नर्वस
will
सिस्टम.
give them the logical reasoning with it, कि why you should not do it, it is not suppressing them. Then the learning comes. When there is a learning, there is a hippocampus, there is a gray matter involved.
So this is all like we say samta. Yeah.
Yes.
So there is a hat samadhi as well as the sahaj samadhi.
Yes.
So now there is a switch. From hat samadhi you are saying okay, you आपके बॉडी को आप इतना लाइक उपवास फास्टिंग इतना कष्ट देते हो एंड देन but yet you are missing out on that bliss,
because there is no
peace.
learning. Ki why am I doing this? Why do I need to control it?
So why is very important in because body में तो काम हो ही रहा है. It's a tool, it's a machine, it is doing its work. So ये why am I doing even meditation? Correct?
Yes.
Correct. Very, very important thing.
Why am I doing the meditation?
Exactly.
Because as we learn कि simple ads आते हैं कि the Mari biscuit ad, I don't know which company's ad was that, brand was that, but इसमें zero मैदा. Zero मैदा ads. Why zero मैदा now? Because it causes that effects on our body. So we learn that ये खाने से ये होगा, ये खाने से होगा, तो ये नहीं खाना है. पर कभी हमने सोचा है कि ये सबके पीछे जो माइंड बैठा है, जो माइंड सबको सब सेंसेस को कंट्रोल कर रहा है, उसको कैसे मैनेज करें? उसको मैनेज करेंगे तो ये होगा ना कि तो वो बताएगा कि दिस इज गुड फॉर मी, दिस इज बैड फॉर मी, दिस इज राइट, दिस इज रॉन्ग, दिस आई शुड बी डूइंग, दिस इज हेल्पफुल फॉर मी, दिस इज अनहेल्पफुल फॉर मी, एंड दैट्स ऑल यू लर्न इन मेडिटेशन.
So is basically we are saying that you conquer your mind, what they say spiritually is basically through this tool of body, that is central nervous system, is automatically making it happen when of course you practice.
Of course.
So you practice and you are changing your
neuronal networking, which we call it as neuroplasticity.
Neuroplasticity, and as a human being you are transforming yourself, correct? You are learning,
right?
So silence, and you still like observe, you become aware, yet you are taking it as that's not me, and I am basically nothing, nobody. Correct? So that's how and why I am doing. That is very important. Otherwise, you miss the bus, right?
Yes.
Yeah, in a big way.
Yes.
Correct? Because then you are going in a direction where you are suppressing, and something else is only happening.
Like if I'm getting angry, it is harming me.
Correct.
So it is, I have to learn to control my emotions. Because it is helpful for me. It is not nothing going to happen to that person.
Correct. And here by this process, your structure of the brain itself
changes.
Correct, changes, and then it just happens.
Yes,
I mean, you don't have to do it, but as you said,
it
not
happens.
doing meditation, but
Like you go
being
to
in.
gym, you
Hmm.
work out, you develop your muscle strength, but somebody asks you, अरे ये उठाना, and that person is not able to lift, but hey, तू बाजू हट जा, मैं उठा देता हूँ.
Ah,
And he lifts it quickly.
correct,
How? Because he is going to gym, is developing his muscles.
correct.
So the same way, अरे तो क्यों इतना सोच रहा है? इसका सिंपल इतना ये solution है. Where it comes from? Because he is able to control his overthinking and come to the solution right away.
Hmm.
That's it.
Correct. Very interesting.
Hmm.
And so when we start doing it,
Hmm.
so as you said, okay, we go to gym, we start doing exercise, we build our muscles. But when we leave the gym, right, we don't do exercise. Again, you are back to
Huh.
square one, correct? So in
But if you
meditation
will
also,
develop it, if you'll go to gym every day,
every day.
then once in a while you go out and then you don't go, nothing will happen.
So same with meditation.
Absolutely. As I mentioned that neuroplasticity research, that research also has shown every day at least for 20 to 25 minutes you have to do every day for 8 weeks, then that neuroplasticity, that is irreversible change, that permanent change in the brain structure
Ex- happens. Right. So now, as we are just talking about the entire body, so the meditation, so the major like central nervous system, we saw autonomous brain. So even the lungs and the heart of the body gets
Yes.
affected.
You see the pulse rate of the meditators, how it is calm, how it is regular, rhythmic. The breathing is also so rhythmic. So definitely and lungs, allergies and all, immunity related systems. So if you're meditating regularly, of course that can also be get into control.
So the additional,
Yes.
say suppose environmental है, biological हो गया तो वो तो होना ही है, we cannot avoid that. But जो additional हम anxiety और उससे ले
Stress
आते हैं,
related
हाँ,
जो है,
stress
what we
related,
call, use the term as a psychosomatic, that definitely can be.
and in our medical profession they say, right,
Yes.
that your 98% problems are psychosomatic, right? That only
Yes.
2% hardcore which you need to treat.
Yes.
Yeah. So there, if we start doing this meditation regularly, we can really bring in change.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So lungs, heart, and tell me, once you are a regular meditator, then that satiety also starts coming in. Means आपको लगता है कि means तृप्त हो गए आप, right? So that is also scientific. ये आपकी जो वेगस है,
Because it comes from where? Amygdala.
amygdala.
The survival mode.
हाँ.
Okay, I want this to survive. If I won't eat, what happens in the eating disorders? If I won't eat, I will die. Or if I'm overeating, then I will die. Something will bad happen. So it is always triggered. The satiety comes from that. What you
So the fear factor goes down, is it?
You are calm. I know I can manage it. I know I need only this much.
So that materialistic attachment, or you say the desires,
Yes.
that automatically, पहले है हम देखते हैं कि नहीं ये करना नहीं है, हमें छोड़ना है, but it becomes a stress. अच्छा लग रहा है लेकिन छोड़ना है, करेक्ट? यहाँ है आप अच्छा लगना है, कर दिया, ठीक है, लेकिन उसके पीछे नहीं दौड़ रहे हो आप.
नहीं, क्योंकि ये naturally आ जाता है.
हाँ, that is the difference.
Yes.
And tell me what this.
Which we call it as upparati.
उपरति, हाँ.
Natural, कि वो जरूरी ही नहीं है.
हाँ, तो मिनिमलिस्टिक जो हम बोलते हैं, वो ऑटोमेटिकली आपकी लाइफ में आ जाता है. एंड टेल मी अबाउट दिस वेगस, व्हिच इज यू से एक्सेस जो आपका है, दैट इज अ ब्रेन गट एक्सेस, राइट? सो हाउ डज दैट आल्सो एडिंग इनटू योर सटाइटी पार्ट with the meditation? से suppose आपका वेगस भी एक्टिवेट हो रहा है, तो वो
it helps into your satiety control, satiety center control also.
So the satiety center control is in brain.
Yes.
हाँ,
So that center also gets into you can regulate that.
हाँ,
Rather than using the word control, you can regulate
regulate
that.
it. हाँ,
So then again, if your mind is calm, then the serotonin levels are up to the optimum level, functional level,
हाँ,
which are present in the gut also.
हाँ,
Serotonin is not only in the brain, but it's also in the
gut
gut.
also.
So
हाँ,
that is why we also call it as emotional eating. So that
हाँ.
also gets
Very,
stabilized.
very important. Huh? Emotional eating. We have seen so many people
Yes.
that under stress
You eat
you
more.
end up eating more,
Hmm.
and then फिर obesity चालू हो जाता है, and then to deal with it it's a task.
Yes.
So वो वापस loop हो जाता है.
Hmm.
So यहाँ through meditation
You
you
learn, you
are
regulate.
regulating. So आपके लिए फिर वो stress नहीं है, correct?
नहीं.
To manage your
Absolutely. Because you have a, rather than using eating as a tool to suppress your stress, you are having a better ways to deal with the stress, to manage the stress.
So in totality, satiety, like from the brain,
Mhm.
from the gut, and your
Hormones everywhere.
hormones, even the organs are.
Yes.
So now coming back to meditation.
Hmm.
So what we have at Soham Harmony, we are around 100 of us having the same
Hmm.
experience. Okay, nobody's higher or lower. Is the same pass through that cycle of you say yog nidra and dream state, then emotional feel heal.
Hmm.
All of us are at the same level experiencing it.
Hmm.
So initially when I was reading Buddhisagar ji's Yog Deepak
Hmm.
and इवन आनंद घन जी जो हमारे बहुत साल पहले मीरा के जमाने के एरा के हमारे जैन मॉन्क रहे हैं, तो वो भी सोहम मंत्र चैंटिंग. सो नेचुरली आप मेडिटेशन के लेवल जैसे आपके हिप्नोथेरेपी में भी लेवल्स होंगे, करेक्ट?
राइट.
तो यू मस्ट बी गाइडिंग देम कि एक लेवल से दूसरे लेवल. सो ये बुद्धिसागर जी के योग दीपक में 3 घंटे का उन्होंने टारगेट दिया था कि रीच एनी हाउ. तो वो धीरे धीरे 5 मिनट से हमने देखा कि वेव्स वो थॉट्स के आगे फिर गो बैक करते करते हम ये डीप स्टेट में चले जाते हैं. सो दैट स्टेट यू गेट कट ऑफ. ओके, देन suddenly you are coming back. It's not sudden, but you feel gradually again you are coming back. You can hear sound,
Right.
you can feel
Yes.
whatever. Then slowly you absolutely come out of it,
Right.
and then again you start that process of focusing. Again you are going in,
Right.
getting cut off. So here that sleep state, deep sleep state. So one is that you come, so when you are meditating, आप जब meditation करते हैं तो वो state को ट्रांस के स्टेट को एक टच करते हो. और वहाँ हम बोलते हैं कि वापस आ जाओ. यहाँ हम बोलते हैं कि नहीं जाने दो भाई,
उसमें ही रहो,
उसमें ही रहो. तो वो कट ऑफ करके हम वापस क्यों आ जाते हैं? मीन्स क्या बॉडी में या ब्रेन में होता है कि हम वापस आ जाएंगे?
Because your brain is not that trained to remain in that state forever.
Okay, because its characteristic is to
Yes. So from monkey mind, which is wandering all the time, to get into that, it will take time. So till that time, it will keep fluctuating.
But ऐसा नहीं है ना कि because we have work, right? And the body is a doer. Though you are a non-doer, I am nothing, I am nobody. But body is a doer. तो अभी वही स्टेट में तो रहने वाले नहीं है हम जहाँ पे कट ऑफ ही है आप.
नहीं, that is why what I said, gave you the first example was driving. Who's the best driver? Who's not keeping the car in the garage but knows where to drive, how to drive, safely drive.
Correct. So
the same training we are giving to the mind. How do you go into that zero, like completely trance state? Is when your mind is taking away itself from the senses. That is why you don't hear, you don't feel, you don't smell, you don't anything. Because mind is withdrawn from all the senses. But then mind knows exactly how to go back, how much to go back?
हाँ,
So that is the regulation of the mind which you learn by practice.
करेक्ट. एंड ऐसा भी तो नहीं है ना कि आप उसमें ही रहो बिकॉज आपके ड्यूटीज हैं, सो इट काइंड ऑफ.
Absolutely. But you learn how and when to get involved, how much to involve, and when to
हाँ,
withdraw.
सो हार्ड कोर मेडिटेशन जैसे हम करते हैं 3 घंटा
Hmm.
या से फुल डे,
Hmm.
so there it is not that you are just lying like a dead body, correct?
Right.
You are going in, आप कट ऑफ हो जाते हो,
Hmm.
लेकिन आप वापस आते हो with some wisdom, learning,
Yes,
correct?
that is what it changes from doing meditation to
Being,
being. That's the exact what we call it as being.
correct. And ये स्टेज में मैंने
Hmm.
एक्सपीरियंस किया है कि कई बार इमोशंस इतने आ जाते हैं,
Hmm.
लाइक यू आर ओपनिंग यू नो,
हाँ.
जैसे आबरा का डब्बा खोल दिया ना आपने, ऐसा एकदम
Hmm.
बॉक्स ऑफ वॉर्म,
Hmm.
एंड दैट काइंड ऑफ समटाइम्स
Hmm.
आपकी ज़्यादा भूख बढ़ा देता है, या एपेटाइट बढ़ जाती है, या आपको ज़्यादा गर्मी लगने लगती है, या ठंडी लगने लगती है, या आपको एंगर बढ़ जाता है.
Hmm.
So all that state when is because you are opening your subconscious, is it?
It is because you have not yet mastered how to control the mind.
हाँ.
That you are not carrying that learning to waking up.
So
state.
why I am doing meditation is very important. You are saying that there. Okay, why I am doing, because
Regulating, yes, it's all because you want to regulate your systems, your life.
and another thing I've observed, that unless you release it, you are not becoming aware also about it. Again, you are suppressing it.
हाँ.
So when this happens, suppose कि appetite बढ़ गई, तो for that period with awareness I am saying, ऐसे नहीं कि awareness के बगैर फिर आप खाते ही चले जाओ,
हाँ.
लेकिन with awareness, okay, the appetite has increased, I'm aware about it, and then it kind of changes you to, फिर वो settle हो जाती है.
Yes, so you become aware
हाँ.
that these are the things. Okay, I have seen it that my stomach is feeling very hungry, auntie, but I don't need to eat. I'm full. It is just a thought that coming to my mind. It is anger. This is just a suppressed emotion that is coming to my mind. Let it come and go. I'm not angry.
But this state, I mean, to reach here,
It requires
practice.
Yes.
Correct? And a regular practice.
Yes.
And when this phase comes, that's what you were saying, okay, it's a very challenging phase. There you need a guiding hand. Because so many things will resurface up.
Yes.
Right?
So even like out of coming, as you are saying, coming out of meditation, you experience it. How to handle those emotions, how to just witness them. That is the real meditation practice. Then you say the meditation is becoming effective.
Correct. So
it is not just you are sitting quietly for 20 minutes and rest of the time.
done.
No.
So it's basically learning all the way.
Yes.
And when you go to your so basically we say that body is the tool, right, which we are using
Yes.
to do meditation.
Yes.
And you can do this because you have a developed central nervous system.
Yes.
And you can, because your brain is so developed, you can easily decipher, okay, this is, okay, your thoughts, your emotions, and this is who you are actually. And that kind of brings in transformation.
Right.
So this tool is made up of biology,
Yes.
chemistry,
Yes.
physics,
Yes.
and psychology.
Yes.
Correct? So all four
Yes.
with spiritual meditation,
Yes.
because when you don't have a spiritual meditation, it's just a meditation, you are not tackling the psychology part.
So psychology is the modern word.
Huh.
But it is when the meditation started, we are just only making it two.
Huh.
Okay, it is spiritual and this is scientific, or this is psychotherapeutic.
Huh.
No, it is just the one thing to manage your mind. Now, as you said rightly, for example, it is like the computer system. Computer has hardware and software also.
Correct.
So software is our mind.
Huh.
The meditation is like the programming of the mind
Correct.
using that software programming.
हाँ
And hardware is our brain, our
हाँ.
body system.
So here, when I was reading all
हाँ.
the scriptures, so they say कि soul realization,
Hmm.
that is Atmanubhuti,
हाँ.
that is the non-doer part, who is formless, nothing, right,
Hmm.
is very important to experience.
Hmm.
Because otherwise,
Hmm.
that why I'm doing meditation no get lost.
Hmm.
Because see, meditation is going to bring in change, as we discussed,
Yes.
the powers,
Yes.
your intuitive power. Now,
Hmm.
yes, very interesting thing which I wanted to ask you is
Hmm.
the intuitive powers get unlocked. Correct? You kind
Yes.
of, huh,
So you know what are intuitions and what are the active or overthinking thoughts.
huh,
What are the emotional thoughts?
correct.
That
So,
difference you can make out
huh,
then.
so when you know why I'm
Hmm.
doing meditation
Hmm.
and you connect to your soul
Hmm.
in that process,
Hmm.
then this intuitive powers, you don't misuse them.
Right.
Correct? Because you know why.
Hmm.
Because ultimately your aim is to, you
Hmm.
know,
Hmm.
transformation and conquer your mind.
Right.
Correct? And it is happening.
Right.
But before that, a lot of your powers get released.
Hmm.
And then you misuse them.
Hmm.
Then from there, the bifurcation again goes haywire, right?
Yes.
Though you are doing meditation.
Yes. That is why you need guidance.
Ha. So now it is making sense that
Hmm.
scientifically
Hmm.
also it is happening the same way.
Hmm.
So say biological changes happening, you experience like
Hmm.
you know the happy hormones आपको release हो गया, आप एकदम
Yes.
एक blissful
Hmm.
आपका
Hmm.
experience हो गया, then chemical आपका हो
Hmm.
गया, then आपका waves जो
Hmm.
है वो
Hmm.
physics का world हो गया, and psychology part with that
Hmm.
emotions,
Hmm.
tackling your emotions, you know,
Right.
feeling and
Hmm.
healing
Hmm.
and rewire somewhere something
Yes,
like that.
rewiring. That is called as neuroplasticity.
So that rewiring, can you throw
Hmm.
some more light on rewiring and neuroplasticity now?
Neuroplasticity is that concept where they've seen ki plastic meaning moldable.
Hmm.
So our brain is also moldable.
Hmm.
Brain is what the basic unit of it is neurons, the
Hmm.
neuronal wiring, the neuronal functioning, the neuronal activities that go on.
Hmm.
So as your thoughts changes, you start changing the neuronal activity also.
Hmm.
That automatic setting starts changing. The
Hmm.
default mode network which we talked about,
Correct.
that starts changing.
Okay.
Now, if you persistently and consistently do it,
Hmm.
consistency is very important
Very
in
important.
this.
Hmm.
Then it becomes the permanent change.
Hmm.
And that is called as a neuroplasticity or rewiring of the brain.
Okay. Give me a simple day-to-day example of
Hmm.
rewiring.
Hmm.
Suppose in a meditation we come
Huh.
across as, so okay, in the morning I felt sad, okay, and I sat for 5 minutes and I labeled it.
Hmm.
Okay, okay,
Hmm.
I'm feeling sad.
Hmm.
Then, then,
Then,
then I come back to now.
yes,
Who am I? Nobody.
it's not I am feeling sad.
Hmm.
Then you are identifying the emotion.
Hmm.
You label it as the sadness is coming to my mind,
Hmm.
but I am not sad. Let it come and go. Let that sadness come and go. Let that thought come and go.
Hmm.
Carrie, I have to go again back to work and I'm feeling sad.
Hmm.
The sadness feeling is coming. I have to go to the office. I don't want to go is coming.
Hmm.
What is necessary? I have to go. What is essential for me? What do I need to do?
Hmm.
I need to go.
Hmm.
So you naturally feel activated that I need to go, attend my duties, attend all my work because it's good for me.
Ah.
And you feel that the moment you let go that emotion, you breathe, you change your emotions, feel good, and
And
come
you
back.
do it. So you do your duty,
Yes.
and this emotion part is there. It's coming, but it's not hindering your.
Yes. You learn to distinguish between your wants and your needs.
And then the happiness like whatever you're doing
the
is
result.
is
Yes.
is the part of
Yes.
uh,
Right.
you say that कि life हमारे it's a part of moments,
Hmm.
right? Moments आ रहे हैं, रह रहे हैं और जा रहे हैं.
Yes, and you learn to be in the moment,
So you are
in the now.
connected.
Yes, you're connected to
So
the now.
here I wanted to ask you कि we say detached. What we have in our mind is, you know, घर बार छोड़ के चले जाओ, बाल बच्चे को छोड़ के चले जाओ, काम छोड़ के चले जाओ. So this is kind of you are running away because you already have a family, you already have a work, correct? So real detachment is actually you are doing everything,
Yes.
correct, and yet not getting affected by it.
Yes.
And
So
you
it's
are
the emotional attachment
Haan.
and emotional detachment.
Correct.
And in fact, if you will see, when we are doing it with attachment, that love comes as obsession. But as I said, mentioned to you, that gamma wave activation, that kindness, compassion, and unconditional love.
Correct.
That is why we feel our Guru loves us so much.
Correct.
We feel that love naturally.
Correct.
It's coming from there.
Correct.
Because it's not the attachment, it is not the obsession.
Correct.
But he's loving you or she's loving you as the love for the self.
Correct. And attachment is you are trying to control the things.
Yes.
And you want others to get changed.
Yes.
And change the surroundings and environment rather than
because there is my selfish motive is there, where it is selfless.
Correct. And here very important thing is sometimes you are a people pleaser because आपको सिखाया गया है भाई सबको खुश रखो तो हम अपने आप को ही नहीं देखते हैं, करेक्ट? सो दैट पीपल प्लीजिंग नेचर यहाँ पे तो मेडिटेशन में जब आप जाते हैं एंड रेगुलर प्रैक्टिशनर है एंड ये इमोशंस आपको फील हो रहे हैं तो एट दैट टाइम एक बाउंड्री बनाना खुद के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है बिकॉज अदरवाइज यू आर ड्रेनिंग योर सेल्फ आउट.
More than that, it is like you become the state like the flower. Okay. Flower has the fragrance. It doesn't need to put a perfume on it to attract people.
Correct.
Attracting people, putting on the perfume on your body is like people pleasing.
Correct.
Okay, you do certain things
so that
people will come.
Correct.
But this process, what you are doing, itself makes you like a flower, that you change so much within yourself that people automatically get attracted to you.
So this is transformation.
Yes.
And there is your body is generating gamma waves, say.
Yes.
And it
happens
on its naturally happens. You are not running after it. You don't want it, but yet it is
naturally. Like the flower of the fragrance, the love, the kindness, the compassion just flows through you.
But tell me one thing, right? We have a body, correct? So body का एक capacity होता है. So sometimes we misuse this word of compassion, empathy, जो हमारे दायरे में नहीं है. Like lot of mothers I see, go beyond their thing to help their children. They don't allow them to grow independently and kind of,
But that is not compassion, and that is attachment.
So here to understand this, you require
what are you doing it for?
But see, this is a brain throwing a question.
Yes.
And you are doing it by knowledge, say suppose. But here the meditative process, it brings you to that juncture where you don't have to throw a question. Okay, why are you doing? You are so connected. It becomes natural. Correct.
Because earlier what the setting is, default setting is, I have to do because people should like me.
Correct.
I have to do so that my son should not leave me.
Correct.
I have to do because nobody should say anything bad about my son.
Correct.
right?
Correct.
But now the default setting is changed. That
हाँ.
fear ki what people will say and I have to do it for people goes away.
So again,
I
fear,
have to,
right? That
that
your
fear goes
amygdala.
away.
हाँ,
Yes, and the
amygdala.
understanding comes. I know I'm doing my best.
Correct. So you are saying again amygdala, right?
That is the wise thought. That
हाँ.
I'm doing my best. I can manage things.
हाँ. So now A is mechanical you are doing,
Hmm.
and B is through meditation, regular meditations just happens that way.
Yes, through meditations, these wise brain thoughts get more prominent.
हाँ,
The
it just
understanding comes.
हाँ. So it's not detachment, but you're getting more connected with wherever you are.
Yes.
Correct, and that's how the empathy or compassion or that
Yes.
flows. So it's a process, right?
It's a process.
Yeah. And this process, so again coming back to spiritual meditation, is why we are
Hmm.
doing it, very important.
Hmm.
And if you do,
Hmm.
it's not a miracle that transformation happens, but it's a scientific, simple
Absolutely.
science.
Simple
Which-
words.
Hmm.
Why do we learn maths?
Hmm.
Maths is being taught 1 plus 1 is equal to 2
Hmm.
till your MSc level.
Hmm.
If you do maths, MSc maths in that, right?
Hmm.
What is the purpose of you learning maths?
Hmm.
For the medical person like me,
Hmm.
for us till 12th only we had compulsory maths. After that
Hmm.
there was no maths. So
Hmm.
I'll study, okay, I have to get marks and I have to know that my biostats वगैरह अगर मेरे research में करना है तो that will be helpful.
Hmm.
Somebody else will learn maths as their main subject because they want to learn and study and do research and do some in big innovations
Hmm.
like the galaxy का या फिर कुछ formula देना है,
Hmm.
right? So right from 1 plus 1 मेरा घर का जमा खर्ची करना है till the innovations or formula formations, you use the maths. Same way, what are you doing this learning for? Are you learn to control your body, learning to control your mind, learning to stay calm and more effective in your life, or you are doing it for that enlightenment? It's the same
So
tool.
come again. Very interesting. This.
What are you doing it for?
Why are you doing it for? Which we were talking about.
So is it just to control my body like we teach medical hypnoanesthesia? मेरा ये डेंटल का प्रोसीजर है, मुझे पेन नहीं चाहिए.
हाँ, जस्ट उसके लिए कर रहे हो कि हाँ
हाँ, मुझे एग्जाम देना है, मुझे मेडिटेशन करना है ताकि मेरा माइंड फोकस हो जाए. मेरा स्ट्रेस बहुत है काम पे, मुझे फोकस करना है, मुझे काम रहना है तो मुझे हो जाए.
हाँ,
या मुझे एनलाइटनमेंट
चाहिए. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. सो से सपोज मुझे एनलाइटमेंट चाहिए.
दैट इज द स्पिरिचुअल प्रोसेस.
दैट इज स्पिरिचुअल मेडिटेशन, करेक्ट. एंड देन आप जंक्चर तो वही पास करेंगे, सब जंक्शन तो वही पास करेंगे.
बट देन यू लिमिट योरसेल्फ कि मुझे इतना तक ही चाहिए. मुझे सिर्फ 10th तक ही मैथ्स करना है. मुझे आगे करना ही नहीं है. बट यू विल गेट यू विल गेट द नॉलेज ऑफ दैट लेवल ओनली.
करेक्ट.
Okay, so you will use the meditation only to control your body systems and mind systems.
So there
but
is
that
enlightenment.
Being in meditation is like the higher knowledge.
So that is then it is on autopilot. It is just happening, yet there is transformation.
With the changed
autopilot setting.
Yes.
And you are feeling your emotions. You are labeling it.
Yes.
Moving out of it.
More than feeling, you are identifying. Feeling means you are one with it.
Identifying.
Labeling, letting go.
So feel to heal, we can say.
Yes.
Label it. Say कि मुझे anger आ रहा है.
So just know.
So pause.
Pause. Just ask yourself, what am I feeling now? Okay, the anger is coming. Let it come and go. So labeling, identifying anger. Labeling, what is the anger coming? Let it go.
So awareness. Your awareness.
Yes. Awareness.
Sharpens.
Acceptance. That leads you to be in the present. To be with yourself.
Correct. Okay, so now, so is this process, so that means के brain, we can change it anytime. It's not that, suppose, of course,
if there
सपोज
are no
पैथोलॉजिकल
organic
कुछ, हाँ,
pathology,
ऑर्गेनिक नहीं है,
your brain is
तो
moldable.
आप,
You can change it
हाँ,
with the consistent practice.
प्रैक्टिस आप ब्रेन को चेंज कर सकते हैं,
Yes.
न्यूरोप्लास्टिसिटी कर सकते हैं, न्यूरोजेनेसिस कर सकते हैं.
Yes.
तो दैट मीन्स कि आप जो एंजाइटी डिप्रेशन से आप एक एजिंग प्रोसेस को भी डेवलप कर देते हैं, करेक्ट?
That's a byproduct.
हाँ, तो
Only when if there is no dementia or organic setting
हाँ,
happen,
हाँ,
then yes.
तो फिर हम सीनियर सिटीजन, जैसे हमने बोला कि बच्चे लोग
Hmm.
करने चाहिए, मदर्स करनी चाहिए, पेरेंट्स करने चाहिए,
Hmm.
सीनियर सिटीजन भी अगर ये करने लगे
Hmm.
तो ये केसेस जो है डिमेंशिया, अल्जाइमर्स, वो हम
That is organic.
नहीं, वो हम अगर हम रेगुलर करने लगे
हाँ.
से
But
अराउंड,
that's the organic process.
नहीं, एक है हमारा एजिंग प्रोसेस जो मीन्स
हाँ.
आई एम 50, आई एम गोइंग टू बी 60, दैट आई कैन नॉट
Right.
चेंज, दैट आई
Yes.
कैन नॉट रिवर्स.
हाँ.
बट मेरा ब्रेन
Hmm.
अभी से मैं करूं
Hmm.
तो वो न्यूरोजेनेसिस करके मुझे वो
Hmm.
डिमेंशिया का क्योर नहीं, डिमेंशिया में जाने के पहले.
Huh. If yes, because certain dementias like the multi-infact dementias, which are hypertension related. So
हाँ,
that
that
is
you can,
stress.
हाँ,
That with the that is caused because of the stress. So if you are
Correct.
meditating every day, you are practicing, learning to manage your mind, stress is under control. There are less chances of that.
करेक्ट, एग्जैक्टली, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम
हाँ.
सेइंग. सो अगर नहीं है और हम करने लगे तो एजिंग प्रोसेस को हम स्लो डाउन कर सकते हैं.
Yes.
Correct,
In that
because-
terms, yes.
हाँ, इन दैट टर्म्स. ऑफ
Yes.
कोर्स जो हो गया है उसको तो हम
Huh, like even for the COPD cases, like the chronic lung infection cases
Correct.
also,
हाँ, correct.
their immunity is low or they catch infections very
हाँ,
fast.
हाँ, हाँ.
That is also can be managed slowly.
करेक्ट, करेक्ट.
No?
सो ये हम बोल रहे हैं कि आप रेगुलर स्पिरिचुअल मेडिटेशन करके
Hmm.
अपना ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करिए ताकि माइंड, बॉडी, सोल को आप हार्मनी में रख सकें.
Absolutely.
एंड जो आ रहा है, जैसे आपने बताया सीओपीडी आ गया या डायबिटीज आ गया या हाइपरटेंशन आ गया या जैसे कोविड गया तो हमारा इम्यूनिटी अभी सबका ही लाइक
Right.
इम्यूनिटी इज गेटिंग अफेक्टेड, दैट यू कांट डू एनीथिंग बट
You'll be able to manage it better.
हाँ, able to manage it better and with whatever is coming your way, with that bliss, happiness, you pass through it, right?
Absolutely. So we have seen so many masters who have gone through the cancer state also, which is a very painful state.
Correct.
But they were so much like, okay, it is the process that is happening to the body.
हाँ,
Let it happen.
correct.
They were not depressed. They were not stressed because of that cancer.
Correct. And this happens on its own when you change
Yes.
this entire your system through
So why to
spiritual
wait
meditation.
for the age to come, then to wait
Then
for
was-
the stopping the aging?
Correct.
Start from the
From now, from your
Beginning.
childhood, from your
Yes.
mother's womb, mothers,
Yes.
before that, yeah. So, yes. डॉक्टर दीपाली, हमारे दूसरे सेगमेंट की तरफ हम बढ़ रहे हैं.
Okay.
एंड दिस इज़ द लास्ट सेगमेंट फॉर द शो. एंड थोड़ा रैपिड फायर करते हैं, ठीक है? रैपिड फायर क्वेश्चन करते हैं आपको कि आप जवाब देंगे रैपिड फायर में. तो मेरा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि स्पिरिचुअल मेडिटेशन इज इक्वल टू स्लीप.
No. It needs to be for a longer time. To meditate.
Okay.
It's not a sleep state.
Okay. Spiritual meditation gives power to control others.
Absolutely no.
Spiritual meditation changes your circumstances.
No.
Spiritual meditation brings in transformation.
Yes.
Spiritual meditation is equal to detachment.
No, it helps you to connect at a deeper level, the unconditional connection.
Can spiritual meditation lead to obsession?
No.
To do spiritual meditation, one needs to become secluded.
No.
Spiritual meditation ultimately leads you to your mind, body, and soul harmony.
Absolutely. Yes.
Music, dance, reading brings in peace, bliss.
Yes. It's a good way. You can use that as a tool for a trance state, but you have to be consistent and longer period of time, then it will give you the results of beneficial results.
Thank you so much, Dipali, to be here with us today.
Thank you so much for inviting me over here.
Thank you so much for tuning in. If you liked this episode, please do like and share. And for more, please follow us on YouTube and Insta, Soham Harmony.